Hey everybody, and welcome to Race City Marine. Today we're going to take you on a tour of one of our brand new 2024 Barletta Aria 22QCs. If you have any questions on this boat or our other inventory, take a look at our contact information down in the description below. Now this Aria is finished off in a really nice color combination. You're going to see the red garnet for the primary color with the blackout package, so all the aluminum has been blacked out. The interior upholstery, you're going to see the furniture finished off in merino gray, and then we have the Tessa gray flooring. Now in back, we have the Mercury 150 horsepower motor, very economical, still plenty of power to get this boat up on plane. You're gonna notice we have a really nice rear deck, a lot of area to hang out with your friends and family, jump off into the water. There's also a stainless steel telescoping ladder, more stainless steel surrounding the motor, and there's even clips you can tie on ropes and different fenders. We have a ski pylon and flagpole up above, and then you're gonna see that central gas fill-up to make it super convenient to fill up the boat regardless of what side of the dock you're on. Now on board the 22QC, QC stands for quad captain's chair. So you're gonna notice each corner matches itself. Now in back, we have a nice door that's on a hinge. You can easily lock it open for an easy entry point. And then on the left and right side of me, we have matching seating. Now over on this side, we do have the battery system located back here with our on-off switch. You're still gonna get some nice storage space underneath there. And then on the passenger side, same side of interior, and you're gonna see there's even more storage all lined with plastic. Now there's some cup holders on each side as well, and both of these backrests will lift up. I can easily pop this open. We have a nice opening to allow for more items to be stored in a hidden area, and you're gonna see the same thing over on this other side. And then as we make our way to the center of the boat, the captain's chairs are right here. You're gonna see we have adjustable armrests, these swivel, they recline as well. And then on the far left side, we have two cup holders, a storage area for your cell phone, plugs down below for USB charging, and we even have a storage net. Now the side door, just like the rear, will open and close. However, we have doggy dock view, which is this transparent part of the window, making it to where your dogs can see out, and it makes for better visibility when you're in the driver's seat. Now, taking a look at the center, this is a Triple-Toon. So the center pontoon has been utilized for more storage. If we open this up, we have an ample amount of storage in here. You can fit the boat cover and several other items you're gonna have with you out on your day. Now, moving on to the driver's seat. Nice and comfortable seat, just like the passenger. On the right side of me, you're gonna see a cup holder down here, your ignition switch, power operated canopy top, and then our accelerator with our trim tab. Now we have a few toggles right here for your horn, bilge, courtesy lights, and docking lights. And then the low-ran system right here will have the navigation, fish finder, depth finder, and things like that. There's a plug on the far side with auxiliary and USB, phone storage, and then our speedometer and tach. You can also view your gas and the trim. And then we have a screen to monitor your battery volts, engine hours, and then a few more vitals within the boat. We have our head unit over here with Bluetooth connectivity, really good amount of foot room, nice steering wheel that will be adjustable as well, and then a lockable glove box down below. Now if we make our way to the front of the boat, just like in back, we have that quad seating style, and all of these are going to be on hinges as well. So opening this up, you can see all that dry storage space underneath, and again lined in plastic. That way when it is wet, it's super easy to dry and keep nice and clean. Now on this backrest, we can open it up like the ones in back, and you're gonna see an integrated wastebasket for even more storage, or of course using the wastebasket itself. Now we do have a dome light right in the center. We have a cup holder as well. And part of the pet-friendly theme, we have your dog's food and water bucket right here, easy reach for them. And then up in front, we have one more of the doggy dock view windows, which again really does aid in driver visibility, along with having your furry friends see what's ahead. And then we have the same type of door in the rear and on the side. Now making our way to the bimini top, this is a huge bimini. As you can see, it's gonna shade the interior very well, and I like all the blacked out designs with that blackout package. Now when you're underway, these front ones are gonna be locked into place. However, when you wanna store it, you're gonna pull this one back. Then the ones on the back, we can pull them down as well. And with one touch of a button, we can fold it down. And then with the bimini folded in this position, this is great for storing the boat, trailering it, or even just going through a low bridge. Now you can also then, of course, put the boot on it to clean it up, and then there's a full boat cover with this boat as well. But there's a full look at one of our brand new 2024 Barletta 22QCs. The Aria is a really great boat to get into the brand, and you're gonna have a lot of fun on one of these with your friends and family. If you have any questions on this boat or other inventory, take a look at our contact information down in the description, and we look forward to seeing you out on the water.